actually.
Not much, to be honest.
I don't know a lot, to be honest. I know where it is situated, and I think we have a lot of tales in Germany about it.
Yeah, I do. For swimming in summertime sometimes.
Not really.
Yeah, more for recreational use.
Every now and then for a bit of swimming in the summer, but the thing is, if you live near it, it doesn't seem so special anymore.
It is for Austria, absolutely. Linz, for instance, it was built around the Danube because there's a big steel industry and it needed to be around a big river, so it's very, very important.
Definitely, it gives a good sense of environment and some wildlife and some different scenery.
Well, smaller cities, which grew because of the Danube.
No, I think the Danube is quite important for Nuremberg, and it's always been a sort of, a trading infrastructure.
Was important in the sense that it drew the east of Europe closer to Austria.
Yes, I think so.
Well, it depends. I don't know if it's under any harm at the moment. So if not, then it's fine. But it shouldn't be destroyed or anything. So if that's a danger, then yeah.
Absolutely. And I think the Austrians are doing quite a good job in doing that. They're well ahead of most of the European countries in making sure it is protected.
In my area, there are parts of the Danube which are protected.
It's a duty. It's their duty to do that.
Yes, I think so. Especially for what you just mentioned, things like pollution and protection, to make sure that it stays clean and a nice place for everyone.
I'm not really sure whether you should put a lot of government money into it. I think, there might be more valuable investments such as education.
A bit of both. So some international, making sure that all the regional things do their bit.
I think actually each country should control it themselves.
I think a consortium needs to be set up by all the countries to make sure that it is being maintained, is being looked after.
The Thames is important to London. I think the Danube is important to Austria or Vienna.
I also don't think that it plays an important economic role anymore.
For import-export between countries, it's been significant ever since. And yeah, still. And by now it's a really cultural, important thing.
Well, we often tend to forget to integrate the East in the European picture, but with the Danube, we feel a sense of closeness.
I would probably say Germany because it has its origin there.
I think it's definitely more important for Austria. You've got the Rhine in Germany and, that's fine, but it's much more important for Austria, I think.
I'm not sure. I think it's as important for Germany as it is for Austria.
I think like 3 or 4 maybe.
5 maybe?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
No.
2, perhaps.
1.5.
Probably 9.
I gotta say 1 there.
7.
9 as well.
I'm very much a local citizen. I love Austria and I'll always remain to be an Austrian. Doesn't matter regardless how long I live abroad and how many countries I live in. But I see myself as an Austrian ambassador in this global arena.
I'm obviously a global citizen, but I do feel my origin is based on my local town.
Well, I considered myself a local citizen last year probably, but by now I consider myself a more global citizen. Because I moved around a lot and I've seen a lot and I'm traveling a lot by the last 8 or 9 months.
No, I feel quite global. I mean, especially having the chance to study here, I think increases the number to about 7 or 8, I think.
Franconian.
Austrian.
I'm Austrian. Always will be, always have been.
European, I'd say.
European citizen, but as well as Bavarian. Less German, but Bavarian.
German, but like an international German.